Welcome to this session on enhancing your organization's security posture by transitioning from WSUS and other on-prem Windows Update Management solutions to Windows Autopatch. Let's explore how this move aligns with Zero Trust security principles and the specific advantages it brings to your IT environment. Traditionally, organizations have relied on WSUS or other on-prem Windows Update Management solutions to distribute updates. While these methods have been effective, they come with several challenges. First is complexity and maintenance, because managing and maintaining WSUS servers and other on-prem infrastructure can be complex and resource intensive. Next is scalability. As organizations grow, scaling on-prem solutions to manage updates for a large number of devices, including those not physically on-premises or connected to the on-premises network, becomes increasingly difficult. Finally, there are security risks. On-prem solutions may not provide the same level of security and compliance as cloud-based solutions, leaving organizations vulnerable to additional threats. Windows Autopatch, formerly known as and now unified with Windows Update for Business, is a cloud-based service that automates the process of managing Windows updates, ensuring that devices are always up to date with the latest security patches and feature updates. Here are some of the specific advantages of moving to Windows Autopatch. First is enhanced security. By leveraging cloud-based update management, organizations can enforce security policies and controls at every stage of the update lifecycle. This aligns with Zero Trust principles by ensuring that only authorized updates are applied to devices. Next is scalability. Windows Autopatch offers scalable storage and deployment options, allowing organizations to efficiently manage updates for a large number of devices without the need for extensive on-prem infrastructure or connectivity to that infrastructure. Reduced attack surface. Moving to a cloud-based update management solution reduces the need for on-prem infrastructure, thereby minimizing the associated attack surface and enhancing the organization's overall security posture. Continuous monitoring and compliance. Windows Autopatch enables continuous monitoring of update compliance and security status. IT admins can quickly identify and remediate issues, ensuring that devices remain secure and compliant with organizational policies. Simplified management. With Windows Autopatch, IT admins can manage updates from a single, centralized, web-based console, reducing the complexity and overhead associated with managing WSUS and multiple WSUS servers. Finally, improved user experience. Users benefit from a seamless update experience with minimal disruption to their work. Windows Autopatch ensures that updates are applied in a timely manner without requiring manual intervention from IT admins. In closing, transitioning from WSUS and other on-prem Windows Update Management solutions to Windows Autopatch not only simplifies the update management process, but also enhances your organization's security posture by aligning with Zero Trust principles. By leveraging the power of the cloud, you can ensure that your devices are always up to date, secure, and compliant.